A woodworking establishment owned by a popular New Amsterdam businessman was destroyed by a fire of unknown origin yesterday, May 31, the second time within this decade. Michael Khan reports.
Thailand Leong, a immigrant businessman who returned from the United States of America 24 years ago to lend support to the private sector, has once again found himself in a state of depression after an early morning conflagration razed his woodworking shop at Tract W Plantation, Caracas, West Kanji for the second time within the past decade. The fire of unknown origin, which was first seen by a visibly shaken Sohanlal Shivlal, who was a security guard on duty, started in the wee hours of Sunday, May 31st. The 52-year-old employee who worked at the site for the past 4 years spoke with Channel 8 News.
Morning about 2:30, 3 o'clock. I come out to check, and as usual, use the TV hour with no fire. But last check about that is about three something. And then when you got through there, and then you see, you know, the camino I remember used to left out light, but I don't know. When you watch, you see fire.
Shivlal further explained what took place at the 50 feet by 35 feet structure which he once secured.
I had to scale the fence, and then we had to go near and then carry, and then he come and fire station take too long because.
The 75-year-old proprietor, popularly known as Uncle Thailand, then recounted.
About 2:45, I got a phone call saying that there's a fire in the workshop. And there's a fire here, so I came. I told my wife to call the fire service, but by the time I put on my clothes, the fire service people said they already get a call and the engine has departed. When I came, the fire engine was already here and they were battling the fire.
The skilled businessman further related.
When I came, the fire had already spread inside. Inside we had wood and we had doors, wooden doors, and all caught the fire. I do not know the cause of the fire. We do not leave anything plugged in. Every afternoon we unplug everything. But I do not know what happened. This here is like $20 million. You got the tools might cost that alone. I had a lot of tools in this. I had two 20-inch planers, two band saws, two radial arm saws, 5 wood shapers, and marquisers and many hand tools, and 2 radial arm saws, many other tools too. I can't mention all right now.
Leong is now contemplating how to shift his operations with the help of his 2 employees to another section of the compound.
I recovered, I built back everything, had everything here, and now everything gone again. But I'm now 75 years old, I don't know if I'll ever be able to build anything. So that was 10 years ago.
With over 20 million Guyana dollars going up in flames, Leong still remains optimistic that he would be able to meet the needs of the local community in time to come. The woodworking shop at Plantation, Caracas was first established in 2002. Michael Khan, Channel 8 News.